in the chat you were winning and no money, please contact customer support. They can actually see what was going on. Bets has been closed. Thank you. Good luck, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful day in the office. So far, so good. Thanks for saying that. So 14, 31, the light 100x on the brightest one. Silly jokes all the time here and not a laugh. When it's not funny, well, I'm sorry then. I'm just doing my job. So 4 black holes in the zero section, back to the hot numbers. So 985 winners, congratulations. Last seconds left. Somebody having something delicious right now, right? 3-9 as the lights. Oh, each 200x block. Where is my bonus? I was win. Bob, can you hear me, please? MJ on the top with 26,000. 600 more euros. Epically done. Okay. That's thank you. Good luck. And lightning again. 16, 27, 33, and 100x right in the middle. Let's hope for the best. Okay, zero spiel is back. And low numbers also are back. 3 red ladies and gentlemen. Old low number. 3rd column, very first dozen. Actually, I didn't say that already. Zero spiel section. 1,104 winners along with it. Trium, Ula, and Lolo. The top 3 winners. Thank you everyone for the game. Bet has been closed. Thank you. Good luck. Bob, please contact customer support. Do you hear me? 12, 26, 33, the lights 150 and 26. Black beer section. Diller is asking, I believe as much as you want. Bets has been closed. Thank you. Good luck. And lightning hits 14, 16, 18, 30. Fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best. Well, that was quick. Return 3 red 0 speed section. Old low number again, and as well 1,060 lucky participants all the way around, including Trium, Krannoy, and then the top 3 winners. Of course, thank everyone for the game. Pets has been closed. Thank you. And lightning strikes 2 numbers. One is 0, the other 10. Green number with a 150. Good luck. Black 03 section 1,111 total wins. MJ, you know, looks epic. 26,680 more euros after this number for you. Top winner, of course. Okay, last moment left of betting time. In fact, we're closing the bets. Thank you. Foxa was writing in the chat 7 red time. I don't know, how did you know it? Well, we did have a 7 red time here. We go to zero section, another color switch. Low odd number first column, first dozen 1002 wins on that. And Ripley at the top with 2.6k more zero. Hi there, Marcia, welcome back. Pharaoh, hello, hey, good evening. The betting time is over. Good luck with this spin. And lightning hits right now, 3 numbers, 20, 31, 35, 150 on the last one. Bob, please, if you hear me, please contact your casino's customer support about all of the questions. If you were winning, why didn't you get your money? 33 tiers section, high number winning result, 957 winners. MJ at the top again with 21,604 euros. Let's have been played. Thank you. Good luck to all of you. Okay, 34 is back. All plans section along with it as well. 1,031 lucky brothers front of a round. MK, RV, and Brie. Top 3 winners after this spin. Nicely done, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for the game. Betting time, betting grid. Don't forget about autoplay option as well. Yes, indeed. Go to... okay, Pharaoh. Yeah. You were talking to Bob. Okay. A bet has been played, thank you. Lightning hits 3 numbers. So, 4, 19, 20 as well, 150 in the middle. Come on, was it? 1,000 people are getting something out of this. And the bet has been closed, thank you. I was... $1,075 total wins. MK, Coco, and Kimanch top 3 winners. The betting time is over, thank you, good luck. And lightning hits 2, 14, 28, 35, 35, that's 500x. Hey, congratulations, it's a celebration, party all day, I know you've been waiting. Woo! 500x incoming, 35, very dark, very zero spiel, 1,068 winners and 698 500x winners. You believed in that number, really? As well, top winner at the top with 50,000 euros. Don't see this every day. Woo! Yes, Pharaoh, we did it. I mean, you did it. I don't know. Sven did it. 17, 28, 29, the lights. Good luck. Yay, Marcia, and then that laughing emoji. No, it's more like yay, Sven the ball. 24, tiers section, even high numbers, 739. I'll keep all this one's over as well. MK, AR, Kimanch, top 3 winners. So, betting time? Betting grid? Don't forget about autoplay. And the bets has been closed, thank you. So, lightning strike. 17, 22, another epic 35 with some 400x.